everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is the Walmart exclusive Vice Admiral Rampart from Star Wars The Bad Batch. I don't know what happened, but Walmart apparently got everything in stock and all the back orders started getting shipped, so happy to finally have this figure. You know, one of the things that I was really looking forward to with this figure is actually the MSC droid or the Mouse Droid. I've got one that I got with the Galaxy's Edge pack. Yeah, you can't have too many of these droids. So looking forward to comparing this, the Mouse Droids, and then obviously unboxing Vice Admiral Rampart. So what we're going to do today is take a look at the outside of the box, go ahead and unbox the figure, take a look at its articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things that we learned and maybe some things that we liked and or disliked about the figure. So let's start off here. As you can see, we've got the reddish color here for the Bad Batch. We've got the mural of Rampart there. And then on the back, he is number 8 in the Bad Batch line. And on the back, it says, after the fall of the Republic, Vice Admiral Rampart is assigned to oversee the clone troopers on Kamino by Governor Tarkin. Rampart has eagerly taken to his role in the new galactic empire as it aims to instill order in the galaxy. Then we've got the maroon reddish color following all the way through. As you can see, Walmart did not ship a great looking box, but that's okay because we are going to open it. But for those that are inbox collectors, I hope you you did better than I did. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the figure. And we'll go from the bottom like we always do. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, including Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, obviously. Yeah, I've got quite a few more figures on back order, so if you're a collector, you might want to subscribe. All right, so we've got the Mouse Droid, Blaster, and then Rampart here. All right. Okay, stands up pretty well. All right, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at his accessories first. Blaster, it's pretty much a plain blaster. There's no real detail to it, but that's not why we got it. The Mouse Droid, it is the exact same mold as the one from Galaxy's Edge, as you would expect it to be. But there's a little bit different weathering. As you can see, the Galaxy's Edge one is weathered a little bit more, but very similar. Same mold though, so not really going to complain. The wheels do turn, just if you haven't seen that. And I'll leave a link up here to the Galaxy's Edge video. All right, so the figure himself, head all the way down, head all the way up. It's kind of limited, as you can see there, because of the hairline. Arms, we're able to go as far up as we need to, which is good. The movement for the arm is going to be at the elbow and not at the shoulder. We've got about 90, maybe a little bit less than 90. That's pretty close to 90, so that's not bad. This is going to be a left-right and left-right as well. Torso, pretty limited movement. Decent movement at the legs, full 360 there, and we've got a double knee as well. So that's the figure so far. Like I said, we learn more when we take the picture, so I'll be right back. All right, so that was Vice Admiral Rampart. I mean, it was an okay figure. You can never have too many Imperial officers, and you can never have too many mouse droids. So, good job on that. Decent job as far as on the paint. No real issues on the buckle. Sometimes around the belt buckle, they have some sloppy paint. I didn't really see that. You know, I do like the paint job there on the face. And other than that, I mean, it's just a decent figure. Unfortunately, it's a Walmart exclusive, so who knows if you're still going to be able to get them. Good luck. But anyways, that's the figure. Yeah, no real complaints, no real like, yeah, that was awesome, except for the mouse droid. Have I mentioned the mouse droid? Anyways, so if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel, like I said earlier, that a professional geek might find interesting. Right now, we're doing a lot of Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series just because there were so many back orders that are finally coming in. So make sure to subscribe for that. But if you like other things as well, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, anything like that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel as well. So with that, have a great day.